This kitty cat. Cats can be grumpy. This one is mischievous. Now we're going to read a book called Grumpy Cat. Hello. Grumpy cat knows it all. Saying yes is overrated. If you really want to get things done, you should just say no. Thinking positive? No. There's a problem. Glass half full. Spill it, and it's all wasted. Problem solved. You get bonus points if you blame someone else. Butterflies. Butterflies. Yuck. Ugh. No. All I see is stupid flying bug things. I like butterflies when they're in the cocoon. Flowers? Nope. No. How about less pollinating, going around the flowers, and more stinging? Ha ha ha. Ooh, holiday? Holidays. No. No. Easter? No. Mother's Day? No. Halloween? No. Valentine's Day? No. No. Sunday? No. Why? Well, wait a minute. I do remember on sporting events, half the team loses. Ha ha ha. Monday. No. But on the other hand, maybe it seems like everyone is sad and depressed. Mondays, yeah. Ooh. My goal should make every day Monday. Ha 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 ha. Tuesday. No, not Monday. Wednesday. No, even further from Monday. Thursday. Yuck. Why? Because it's close to Friday and everybody's getting excited and happy. Friday is awful. Everyone's hopeful and happy on Fridays. Fridays is the worst. Saturday? I don't even wake up. I just keep my eyes shut all day. I think it's awful.
Like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss our videos.